Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my StarCraft Terran Marine. Here it is. Not much in the look, but I wanted something, quick, easy, and quick and easy to make. Yeah, and something that can, like mass produce and stuff. Like this, I'll show you a video here. I made a handful here just to see how it looks. And here it is. And and check out my Zergling video as well if you haven't. And please check out my other video as well, and please consider subscribing. Okay, so here it is. And so you don't want to start out with a squished paper like this, and you want to start out with a bird base. So you want to fold it in half like so. Then you want to fold it in half again like this. Then you want to open up this pocket right here. Okay, then you want to fold that down like so. Okay, then you want to flip it over and do the same thing on this side now. So you want to open up this pocket right here all the way down, and you want to fold that down as well. Okay, and now you see where this open side is right here. You see this edge? You want to fold that right up to this center crease line, okay? Like a paper airplane. Okay, now leaning against this edge right here, you want to fold this top triangle down like so, okay? And make sure it lines up with the center and everything else. And now you want to unfold all that. Then you want to fold that top crease line right here. So take that first layer and fold that top crease line down. Okay, and now fold the side crease line that we just folded, bringing this whole edge right here up to that center line, okay? And then the same thing on this side as well. So fold that side crease line that we just folded, bringing this whole edge towards the center. Like so, and you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So flip it over to this side, fold that top crease line right there, like that, okay? Then fold the side crease line right here, bringing this whole edge towards the center, okay? And just make sure everything lines up. Okay, and now you see that triangle is in the middle here, okay? And now you want to bring these corners onto the center point right here, okay? And make sure the side is parallel to that center crease line, or is that center line right here, as best you can. This seems about okay, right? And same thing on this side. And make sure everything lines up and is equal. Okay. Same thing on the other side. So flip it over to this side and do the same thing here. Okay, make sure it lines up with the back side. Same thing here. Okay, and now you're going to open this top side right here and also the back and fold that down. Okay, and now you're going to fold this out from the center all the way to these corners right here on the side. Okay, these corners. So from the center all the way out to that corner. Just like that. Okay, same thing on this side. So from the center right here, this crease line, all the way to this corner. Okay, like this. And then you're gonna fold this down like that, but first I think it's easier to pre-crease it. So you see this edge right here, this longer edge, you want to fold that right up to this edge right here, okay, the center edge. Okay, you're gonna pre-crease it first. So it has to be the longer edge up to that triangle right there. Okay, same thing here. So that longer edge right up to that triangle. Okay, make a good crease. Then you want to unfold, then open this pocket and fold that crease line. Okay, make sure this doesn't unfold itself, just like that. Okay, same thing on this side. So open this pocket and flip this over. And then fold that crease line that we just folded. Okay, and now starting from the center, the crease line right here, you want to take this piece and fold it right across like this. Okay, and of course this is the gun, and make sure everything lines up. There should be a crease line, lines up. See that X, I mean that cross right here. Okay, and now fold this point inside, just around there, maybe all the way down. Okay, and fold this in half. And then you see this pocket right here? Fold this bottom piece right underneath. Okay, fold that right in. Like that. And fold that right inside. And you're gonna zigzag fold right here on that triangle. So fold this down. Then fold it back up. Okay, and you're going to make the arm. So open this pocket and kind of fold that in, and make sure it doesn't touch that corner right there. Then it won't look as round because there's a round armor piece right here. Same thing here. So open this pocket and fold that down, and make sure it doesn't touch that corner. Okay, leave a little bit of space right there. It's not focusing. Okay, and take that tip and wrap it around the gun. Okay, and now for the legs, you want to open this pocket right here all the way from this corner right there all the way until that center right there. Okay, and same thing on this side as well. So from this corner all the way to that center. Okay, and fold that down. Just like that. Then you see this crease line right here on the side. You want to fold that on the back side. Okay, so flip it right here, and it's not folded yet, but you can see like that crease line. So you're gonna fold those crease lines, and you're gonna make a little water bomb base right here. Okay, so fold that, then fold all the way down like that. So it should look like this. Then open it up slightly so you can see the legs. Just like that. Here it is. And if you want little more details on the leg, you can maybe fold in just a little bit of that edge to make like the feet. Just like that. And here it is. This is the Terran Marine. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.